Hi, my name is James Natoli. I'm the Technical Specialist at BOC Customer Service. I'm here today to talk to you about the MIG 145 welding machine. So now that we have the Magmate MIG 145 machine unpacked, I'm going to run through with you the accessories that come in the package. First thing I want to note that this machine here is a 10 amp machine, so it will be applicable to a 10 amp outlet. First thing that comes out of your box that you'll be taking out is the user guide. Okay, so this gives you instructions on how to use the machine, safety requirements, and some operating guides as well. So that's a really important one to read through before using your new machine. Some spare items that come with the machine. One is the gooseneck. Okay, so the gooseneck comes on the torch is the same as this one here. This is a spare item that comes with the machine. Going back to the torch, there's some more items that come with the machine as spares, such as your gas nozzle. You also get 2 extra tips, and you actually get 3 spare wire feed rollers. Okay, they come in a 0.8 and a 0.9, also in a knurled and V-groove. So to accommodate for that flux cord wire use, and solid wire also there. You also receive a gas hose. Okay, so on this gas hose here you receive separately, not fitted, the quick release connection to the machine, and also the connection to your gas regulator. So they come with the machine, but you'll just need to fit them yourself. Also, we get a strap to hold the machine, so if you need to do any work which requires you to lift the machine, you'll receive a strap which is easy to fix to the machine. So this machine also comes with an earth lead, which is fixed to the Magmate MIG 145. And also, we have the torch, which is also fixed to the machine. And this machine, this torch, uses the Binzel 15 consumables on the front end, so your nozzles and your tips there. So now that I've run through all the accessories for the Magmate MIG 145, let's go and look at operating the machine. So starting from the rear of the machine, we have the on and off button. We have the quick release connection for the gas from the machine to your regulator. We also have a possibility to fit a 15 kilo spool to the machine via a inlet for the wire from the rear of the machine. Inside the machine, I have already set the machine up for a mini spool, okay, of wire. I can change that to your normal handy spool. All I have to do is just take off the tensioning gear from the spool holder and just fit the normal spool configuration on, fit my tensioning gear back on, and popping on the final bit there. And that's on there. So that's how you would fit your normal handy spool from a mini spool, as it does have functionality to hold both. Here we have the polarity setting of the machine. Okay, so currently it's set to DC negative, okay, to accommodate for the flux cord wire. You can change that with the Allen key that comes with the machine to accommodate for your normal mild steel or stainless steel wire. Also we have here is the rollers, so the 2 roller feeder system. I just have to take off the roller cap, as you can see, quite easy, and there we have the roller. To change that back over is easy, is all we do is just pop that back in there and pop that retainer back on, and it's simple as easy as that. Also we have a chart to give you some welding parameters. And I'll explain later on the operational features there, as this is a synergic machine. Okay, so 10 amp synergic machine, which holds both the mini spool and the handy spool. I'll just close that back up. So I'm just going to turn the machine on now through the back of the machine. Okay, I know that the machine's turned on because the green power light will illuminate. Okay, so this machine is a synergic machine, so that means that the machine will control the wire speed and the amperage based off what setting you have your parameters. So from 1 through to 10 pertaining to the welding parameter chart inside the machine. Okay, so that's an easy feature there for you. Another feature is you can control the inductance of the machine. Okay, so it's just this one here, and it's quite straightforward and easy to use there. Okay, let's go and see this machine in action. Just before we start welding, be sure to have the appropriate PPE fitted, such as welding gloves, a welding helmet with the correct shade lens, fume extraction, and the appropriate clothing. Today we're using Argo Shield Light as our shielding gas. We're going to use Magmate 0.8mm mild steel MIG wire, and we're going to be laying down a fillet weld on a 3mm mild steel plate. Here you can see we've left a nice clean fillet weld. Thank you for watching, hope you've found it informative.
Working with gas is as easy as BOC. Come and see us in store, check us out online.